everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nia G. Today's video is going to be my fall fashion must-haves. This is a bit of a collective haul. I have literally everything. I have sweaters, jackets, jeans, tops, sneakers, shoes, like everything, you name it. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Everything shown today will be listed down below. Most of the links will be affiliate links. So if you guys do decide to purchase any of the items that I show you, I will make a small commission. Every single thing that I picked out is things that I absolutely love and you may have seen before on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I have so many hauls that you guys will love. Now let's get into the video. First up, I have this super cute sweater from H&M. It's a knit cream sweater. It has 3 tortoise buttons. Well, they're not really tortoise, I wouldn't say, but look at the buttons. There's only 3, and this was, I believe, $19.99. I got an extra small. Because it is a bit big. I actually saw this sweater in Naomi T. Grant's summer to fall transition outfits. I feel like I'll wear this more as a top rather than a sweater because I really do like that look where it's like nothing underneath. You guys can kind of see it right here, or even with a turtleneck coming out. But it's really cute and it's super cozy, and the sleeves are like really big and floppy. It's just so fall, it's so winter. I really do enjoy cream and white right now. I know a lot of people will say like you shouldn't get like a white jacket or white coat or anything, especially living in New York, but I really do love this, and I honestly believe I'm gonna be wearing this as a shirt, so it's like not even gonna matter. I'll just button it up and have a cute little moment. Like, I absolutely love this sweater. Can't wait to wear it. H&M actually has like a lot of really cute knitwear, and I think I've gotten a lot of super cute sweaters from H&M that have lasted literally forever, so definitely check them out. But this sweater is amazing to me, and it's amazing quality. Honestly, there's no snags or anything, and it looks really durable, so I'm loving that. So next I have this fur leather jacket from Missguided. I love Missguided. Honestly, I used to have a package coming from Missguided like every other week, but I had to chill. I originally saw this jacket in black, but I saw that it was pink. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. I had to get it. I was a little confused because it looked more of a cream color, and you guys will see why, but I can definitely see the pink in person. Look at this. Look at this. And plus I already have a black leather jacket. I did not need another one. I got this in a US 2. The 0 was sold out, but I wouldn't have gotten a jacket in a 0 anyway, especially not a jacket like this. The leather feels okay. Like, obviously it's not real leather, so I really wasn't expecting like all that, but here is the fur. It's really soft, and then there's leather right here. There's leather stripe right here. More leather. And it's the same on this side, but the entire back is lined with the fur, and it's really soft. This is so cute and girly. It has a belt buckle at the bottom. So if you're looking for something that's like really girly but also functional, because it's a leather jacket so it is going to be warm, I would suggest this. None of the fur coats that I have actually feel warm, but my leather jacket actually does feel warm, so I gravitate more towards my leather jacket. But look at this. It's giving superstar. It's giving, do you want a lunchbox? TV. Do you carry a lunchbox? Look at this. This jacket, you could wear literally the most basic outfit and look like you're going to a red carpet. Like, this is so cute. I think I can see me wearing like this with an all black, maybe a white shoe, maybe a white heel, maybe all black shoe, like anything. Like, it's so cute and it's so comfortable. I'm happy that I got this size because it's coming like right below my wrist, so I can imagine if I got a 0, it would have been hugging my body and I wouldn't have liked that. but I definitely love this jacket. It's definitely a must-have for fall, especially winter. This is going to be a go-to for winter, especially like going out. But I feel like I would wear this just like on the regular, just to be extra, especially because this is making me like kind of warm. So I wouldn't be like stressed like, oh my gosh, I gotta hurry up and get inside. No, I'll be okay. I'll be good in this. So I'm feeling this. So next I have these jeans from Fashion Nova. I recorded a Fashion Nova try on, but I kind of don't know if I'm going to post it because it was kind of a fail. I ordered these blue jeans and I ordered a pair of black jeans, both a size 3, but the black was too big. If I post the video, I'll just link it, but these are the jeans. I was really excited for the black jeans because I don't have a pair of black jeans, which is shocking. But yes, these are the split jeans. These are like the skater jeans that you see everywhere. They did like a Labor Day sale, so I picked them up. They fit me really nice, honestly. They're like a bit big, but they're mom jeans, so I was expecting that. But yeah, everyone needs a good pair of blue jeans, especially for the fall, because blue jeans literally go with everything. Like, you always need like a go-to pair of jeans. So I tried to get a new pair of jeans every like other season, kind of like fall-ish, spring-ish, especially because when I find a good pair of jeans that I like, I wear them out until I'm absolutely tired of them and I'm like, I don't want to wear this anymore. So that's that. Next I have turtlenecks. I absolutely love turtlenecks. This shirt is literally inside out, I just noticed. But I have a white turtleneck. This is just a regular shirt. And then I have a black turtleneck, which is a bodysuit. And then I have this turtleneck, which is sleeveless, which is absolutely perfect transitioning into fall. It's not quite hot yet, but you still want that turtleneck look. You want that sophisticated look. Also, if you wanted to wear it under a sweater, but you're concerned about being hot, that's perfect. But yes, turtlenecks are something that as a kid I hated, but now as an adult, I think they make your look so much more mature. These are from Shein. These are amazing basics. Shein has great basics. I actually did a video on Shein basics and like how to build your wardrobe, things you need to build your wardrobe, which I will link. But yeah, I absolutely love these turtlenecks and I've been dying to wear them. So I ordered a few more. I ordered another white one and another black one with this sleeveless look so that I can wear them whenever I want to. We're transition weather where morning and nighttime are freezing, but midday is absolutely way too hot. Or it could be 70 degrees every single day, and some days 70 degrees is hot, some days 70. Absolutely do not have time for it. So the sleeveless is the way to go, and it starts to get colder. The long sleeve is the way to go. I love bodysuits, so this is a must-have as well. And this is a bodysuit, so yeah. Next, I have this matching set that I got from Amazon. Look, it is a crop top. It's actually a workout set. They have so many colors, are so cute. I really love the green, but I don't even know what I would wear the green with, so I didn't get it. And it has padding in it for the boobs, so I love that. And it's super cozy. You can either wear this every single day or just to work out. I can honestly see myself wearing this to run errands. I was gonna wear this the other day, and I'm not wearing it because it's a really thick material, so it would have been super hot and I knew it was just gonna get warm that day. So these are the leggings. They're super thick, super sturdy. You can see like they're not just stretchy and flimsy. Amazon has really good basics and dupes, so you can honestly wear this with like something like one of the sweater or the jacket that I just showed you guys. It'll be a fit. Like, I'm super excited to wear this, so definitely check out Amazon's workout sets because this could be literally everyday loungewear. Like, it's almost like a Skims dupe. Next, I have the super cozy pajama set from H&M, and it is 100%. It is a cotton set. They have so many cute pajama sets, and it has, look at this detailing on it. And it's like an oatmeal, like off-white type of color. It comes with buttons, and it also is paired with shorts. This was only $17.99, I believe, but it's super comfy and super cozy. And one thing about me, like for the fall and winter, I absolutely need to be cozy or I'll just be miserable. So I decided to get some new pajamas. I love wearing pajama shorts and a top just because I sometimes get hot at night, but I'm all about being comfortable in the summer. I actually did a self-care haul not too long ago because, you know, as the seasons change, you really need to be prepared for these changes as they come because they come super fast. So I decided to stock up on just a few new things. Especially pajamas have always been something that makes me super happy. So I'm so happy that I got these, and they feel like literally a blanket, and they're really cute too. So you could actually wear this just as loungewear to chill around the house, but I will be wearing these as pajamas. So next I have some boots. I actually have an entire video on these boots. These are the Chloe Betty boot dupes that are on everyone's fall wish list. I got them from Public Desire. They will be linked below, of course, obviously, but check out that video if you want an in-depth description on these boots. So here I have these Chloe Betty boot rain boots. Look how cute they are. They're so cute and so sturdy. I'm ready to wear them. It's been raining this week, but I haven't gotten a chance to wear them because it is not cold. It's literally just hot and raining. It literally feels like being on an island. But yes, these are the boots. So similar to the Chloe Betty boots. They just don't have the Chloe Betty logo. They're size 8, and I originally thought they were a little bit too big. But then when I was standing, I have this little heel right here, and I will be wearing thick socks with this, so that will fill up the space and it'll make it even more comfortable. You can easily pair this with like a pair of jeans, some black leggings like the ones I just showed you, or even a skirt or a dress. I have them in my mind going with a skirt, so I'm really excited for that outfit, and I'll definitely be posting pictures. And these I feel like are going to be such a staple for the fall. Like, I know everyone wants them and everyone's getting them, but these are really it. And I love that I was able to find a good dupe for them at an affordable price. Cream. I have so many cream shoes, but they're like different shades of cream and like nude. It's kind of funny. So I also have the Yeezy foam runners, and they're the cream color. But I got these Nike blazers, and these are the coconut milk color, and then they have this gray right here. I'm so happy that blazers are back trending again. When I was in elementary school, I had a pair of blazers, and I remember them being super like hard to put on and off, and that was when I wore 7.5. That was when I first started wearing a 7.5. So I made sure I got these in an 8, but they're not as like hard and stiff as I remember them being, but they are a perfect fit and they are comfortable to wear. I found them on Nike. They also have a wheat color, and I think I'll have an easier time linking the wheat color. So I originally found them on Nike and Finish Line. I ended up contemplating for way too long, so they sold out. So I searched the internet for like a whole day. I found them on Flight Club. The only thing is that the shoebox came without a top. The shoes are $100. But they were on Flight Club for $99. So I didn't know that you could get shoes from Flight Club just a little, like maybe if they're considered damaged because they don't have the box, for like a discounted price basically, because I could have got them with the correct box and they would have been $150 because, you know, Flight Club has the sold out shoes. I don't really know how they get their shoes. But yeah, and they have the Flight Club tag right here. It took about 2 days to make sure they were authentic, and then 2 days to get to me. So check out Flight Club, but I will try to link them if they're back in stock on Finish Line or Nike. They also have a wheat color, but the wheat color was just like not hitting the same for me. Yes, look at them. These will literally go with anything. Jeans, a dress, anything. Anything. They're so cute. And I feel like they're really dressy, so you can either wear them as like a casual or like a night out, especially if you're not someone that's into heels. Get you some good sneakers that you can really play around with and have some fun with, because I know that some people really don't like wearing heels. I am one of them. So yeah, make sure you have some good sneakers. You can even wear them every day, like to work, like do you, but make sure you have a good pair of sneakers, especially for the fall and the winter. I know in the summer us girls can get away with wearing sandals, things like that, but you always need a good pair of sneakers. I used to be so into sneakers, and honestly I've been getting back into sneakers, so maybe we'll see more of that on my channel. Who knows? Next I have my two favorite bags, especially for these seasons. These are neutral bags, but they're honestly good for any season, but these are the two that I have been gravitating to the most. First is my black Telfar bag, which I got going into last winter. Since it's becoming fall and winter, they're redropping like their darker colors that are more season appropriate. This summer they had so many pastels bags drop, and I absolutely love my Telfar. I did an unboxing and I told you guys all about how I got that bag, so check that out. But this bag is so sturdy. Almost a year later, it literally is perfect. I wore this bag pretty much from the day I got it until maybe I got the pink bag, which was months later, so not even until spring. But this bag is super deep. It fits absolutely everything, and since it's black and like I'm wearing a little bit less color for the fall and the winter, I've been gravitating to this bag much more often. And it has these long straps, so you obviously don't need to get a Telfar, especially since they are a little more difficult to get. I prefer to wear it with the back strap. But having a black bag for the fall and winter time it's a necessity. Every woman needs a black bag in general because it will go with everything. But this bag literally goes to everything. And it's my favorite, and it's small and it's tiny, easy to wear on the go. So this is one of my go-tos. So I just thought I'd share with you guys like how much I love this bag almost a year later, and how I feel this is a staple for any fall winter wardrobe, especially if you've been wondering like, will I use it, will I like it, am I just getting it for the hype? No, get it because it's actually useful. The size is small, but it fits so much. You can literally fit anything in this bag, I'm telling you. So get you this bag. If not this black Telfar, get you a black bag in general. I have a few other black bags, but this is my favorite. I have my Gucci Dionysus wallet bag that I got not too long ago. I have a full unboxing linked on my channel, but this bag is a neutral. It is tan. It's like a tan nude-ish color with the GG, so it's a very simple bag, and the chain is silver. So I actually ended up, oh, you can't even see it, but I changed the chain so it can go around my shoulder. I usually just carry the bag like this, just like on my shoulder. This bag is so easy, so simple on the go. It goes with all of the outfits that I have planned out for the fall and the winter. I know that we kind of don't do as much color in the fall and winter, but this bag literally goes with everything. So if I decided to wear a super colorful outfit, this will go with it. And if I decided to go the opposite way and wear something super bland, like maybe all black or something monochrome, who knows, this bag goes perfect with it. And I can see myself wearing this all fall. So I think I'm going to be wearing these two bags all season long, and I'm not letting up on them. I love them so much. These are literally my two favorites. Not because this is new, but because this is a great size and it goes with all the fall outfits. And it's not like an obnoxious color. Like, I absolutely love pink, but sometimes my pink bags don't go with everything. So these two bags are my fall go-to bags. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, every single thing will be linked down below, and let me know what your favorites are. If you guys want to see more of my unboxings and hauls that I have, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.